Chances are, at some point in your life, you're going to be a pedestrian. Sharing the roadway with motor vehicles requires our full attention. It's serious. For example, in 2019, a pedestrian in the US was killed every 85 minutes and injured every 7 minutes in a crash with motor vehicles. We have to protect ourselves, and one way we can be safer is to understand how to use the resources that are available along the roadway. That's my mission, helping us walk safer. Let's walk. When walking along or crossing a road, it is important to be aware of your environment. Avoid distractions that may cause your focus to stray away from your surroundings, such as electronic devices and headphones. Losing focus can impair your judgment and put your safety at risk. When traveling as a pedestrian, it is important to keep your eyes and ears open and to stay alert. On that note, don't assume that drivers will see you and respond accordingly. It's up to you to look out for your own safety. Let's walk. If you need to cross a street and are not located near an intersection, it is important to locate the safest point possible to cross mid-block. The safest points to cross are well-lit, well-marked areas where drivers expect to see pedestrians. Some mid-block crossings may have pedestrian aids, such as marked crosswalks, roadway lighting, or flashing beacons like rectangular rapid flashing beacons, or RRFBs. When activated, these beacons alert drivers that you are crossing the roadway. Once you have located the safest route to cross, use the pedestrian aids provided. For example, if present, activate the RRFBs before entering the intersection. As you enter the intersection, pay attention to oncoming traffic. Make eye contact with any approaching vehicles and never assume a driver sees you. Let's walk. When crossing at a signalized intersection, it is important to pay attention to posted signs and pedestrian signals. As you approach the crosswalk, stop before entering the intersection to look at your surroundings. Pay attention to the traffic signals and actuate pedestrian signals, if available. There are 3 different pedestrian signal head messages. A steady walking person indicates that you are permitted to cross the roadway. A flashing upraised hand indicates that you should not start to cross the roadway. However, if you have already entered the intersection and the hand begins to flash, you should continue to cross. A steady upraised hand means that you should not enter the intersection. When crossing the intersection, it is important to follow the pedestrian signal head indications and pay attention. Always watch the traffic. Let's walk. As a pedestrian, it is important to ensure that you are visible to drivers. This is especially important at night. In fact, about 75% of pedestrian deaths occur at night. When walking at night, wear light-colored and reflective materials to increase your visibility to oncoming vehicles. Reflective materials make you more visible to drivers. When crossing the roadway at night, utilize marked crosswalks and any available pedestrian facilities to increase your visibility to oncoming traffic. Let's walk.